Starting today, official ng bahagi ng MQuest Ventures ang actor/director/producer na si Enrique Hill. At live mula po sa Meralco Center sa Pasig, nasa frontline na balitang yan, si MJ Marfori. MJ?
Eto na nga, Jervy, may bago tayong parte ng pamilya ng Media Quest at hindi ko na papatagalin pa, nakikita nyo na nga sa background ko at live na live. Hahatakin ko na siya dito sa TV, Enrique.
Hi, hello po, magandang gabi po.
Kamusta naman, Ken? Diba? Paano nabuo itong partnership with Media Quest at MVP Group?
Well, first of all, we met Jane and Shanna in the NBA All-Star Weekend in Utah. And, you know, it just kicked off from there. And, you know, they offered to have a partnership with my company, Slingshot Studios, and to be able to partner up with, of course, Media Quest and the MVP Group. It's basically a no-brainer.
Bongga.
Super no-brainer.
Actually, yun na nga kasi 'di ba, napakadaming pelikula ng Media Quest at well-reviewed ang iyong last MMFF entry rin at Taiwan Killer Hospital, and I know Ken, the producer, is just really, di ba, in action.
Yes,
what can you share so far sa mga napag-usapan nyo with MVP Group and Media Quest?
Yeah, so we're gonna be doing a lot of films and projects as well here. I think hopefully we start around April or May.
That is soon.
Super soon. So they also have IPs that they acquired overseas. So may mga international projects that we'll be working on. So super excited for that. And of course some local projects as well.
And kakaiba lagi yung mga yung mga storya na talagang that tickles your fancy, right? So ngayon, ano tong mga storya naman na talagang nagka-interest ka na pinesent mo rin sa Media Quest?
Well, you know, I've been playing around a lot with different genres. So I really want to go back to my core, which is
rom-com?
some rom-coms with a little twist. So I think it's time, and the fans have been asking for it. So super excited for that. Pero syempre, something different pa rin.
Ready na kaming kiligin ulit. My gosh. Baka may pang MMFF to,
I think there's one that they're eyeing for MMFF. So I might see you guys on MMFF again.
Oh,
so, yeah.
I love it.
Thank you so much.
But of course, for television, anything that really interests you?
Yes, we have. We're in talks for a couple of projects that we wanna do. But yeah, everything's still
Up in the air.
Up in the air. Once we finalize everything, then we can really say and talk about it.
Exciting. At ito na, syempre may mensahe si Enrique para sa lahat ng fans niya na ang tagal na nag-aantay. And finally, ito, more movies in the works?
Of course, definitely more movies. I'll be hands-on with every project that I do. At maraming salamat po sa lahat mga supporters yan. Babalik na po, malapit na. I love you guys.
Yes! Thank you so much, Enrique Hill. At yan muna ang latest mula rito. Back to you, Jervy.
Ken, welcome to MQuest Ventures at maraming salamat, MJ Marfori. Mga kapatid, ito po ang inyong K-Alaman Queen, Kalad Karen. Always remember na ang K-Alaman ay K-Yamanan. Kaya para sa latest showbiz news at dagdag impormasyon, mag-follow at mag-subscribe sa social media pages ng News 5. Okay?